Hi everyone, I'm Stacie Koroly with eXp Realty, and with me today is the owner of Spotlight Home Inspection, Bill Dare. Bill, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me. Excited to be here.
Today, we are going to talk about something that homeowners often overlook. You're the home inspector, you see this every day. What are a couple takeaways for today that you want to bring to light?
Certainly everybody thinks their home is maintenance free anymore, but they do need care. I think having your heating system and air conditioning system serviced annually is really important and helps it last longer and work better. Secondly, we're going to talk about humidity control. I think people routinely allow the humidity in the basement to run away. So if you have a basement or crawl space, you really should be running a dehumidifier. And then lastly, extending the downspouts away from the house and getting grading to slope away from the house.
Yes, because when people don't redirect their downspouts, what happens?
You oftentimes get water in your basement.
Yes, I find that's like the #1 reason that people get moisture in the basement.
It certainly is the top of the list. We certainly don't go spending a lot of money on other things until we've done those things.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching.